What's going on, guys? The Iron Chef Minotaur here, and this is just a airsoft mask that I'm wearing for another unboxing video. No, not going to be any plushes at all, but it's a Csgo mystery box that I bought off of megaknives.com. And not sponsored by them at all, so gonna see what type of knives I get. And yes, this is one of those knives, the Black Galaxy bayonet. So I'm gonna start unboxing a few of them. Like I said, I'm going to be unboxing a few of them, and I don't know what type of knives I'm going to be getting out of these. Okay, got our first box here. Remember, guys, never point the knives at yourself. So I'm going to put my M9 over there. Okay. Not sure if this is the gut knife or... No, this is a Huntsman knife. That is sick. It's a sick knife. And also, when you're checking how sharp it is, never rub your knife up and down. Just go across. But that is a sick camo knife. Actually, I'm going to take off the mask for this. But, dang, that's awesome looking. I'm just gonna set that right there. Next knife I got here is it seems pretty large. What type of knife is this? Oh, okay. Hey, White Galaxy. So this is the gut knife. Yeah, that's sharp. But sick knife. Okay. Gonna be grabbing for another one. Let's pull something out that... Okay, so right now I have a Nebula, Huntsman, and gut knife. Dude. Here's the knife I've been looking forward to using at my work area. That's a Nebula Karambit knife. Normally I wouldn't do that, but that is sick looking knife. Something I'm going to be using tomorrow when I'm at work. But very sick. Got another bayonet here. Dude, that's not a bayonet. Wait a minute, that is a bayonet. Don't know what type. this is, but that is awesome looking. I think this is a Bowie knife. No, that's a bayonet. Okay, I got another box right here. Dude. Tiger gold knife. Tiger gold. That is sick. Flip knife. That's awesome looking. I should at least have one knife left. Wait a minute. It's another Black Galaxy flip knife. That's awesome. Hold on, that's 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2, 3. This knife doesn't count. Four. Anyway, that's 5. Is that all they sent me? So I feel like I'm missing a knife. But anyways, I think, yeah, that's all the knives that they sent me so far. Oh yeah, one of them was a crampet knife. So, yeah. Those. Got another Black Galaxy. Ooh, almost cut myself there. Flip knife. That's awesome. Tiger gold. Flip knife. I think I might be using either this, or this for work tomorrow. Got a little White Galaxy gut knife. I thought. A Huntsman Nebula knife and a Bowie knife, or I think this might be a Bowie knife, or no, that's stainless steel. That's steel bayonet. But that's very cool looking. Until then, I am the Iron Chef Minotaur, and I'll see you guys in the kitchen later.